today I will be sharing with you a recipe that I'm sure you will love. So you can definitely try this out in your house since the ingredients are really cheap, but I can guarantee that the taste is so delicious. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please do hit subscribe. And if you do like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. So the first and main ingredient that we have here for our eggplant steak will be the eggplant, of course. I used 5 in this dish and we'll cut it in slant. So right after cutting all of those eggplants, we need to soak it in the water to avoid it from being black. And set it aside while dealing with other ingredients. So next will be the garlic. I will only use 4 of it and then mince it. Next is the 1 large onion. I'll cut it into rings. And then I'll take the outermost layer of the onion, the first and second outermost layer that we will use later for the plating. And so the rest of the onion, or the innermost layer of the onion, will be minced and we will use it later for the sauce. Next is calamansi. I used 4 in it, and then I'll squeeze the juice, of course. And then I will have your eggs. You could use a lot, but I used 3 in this dish, so it depends on you. Next will be the cornstarch. So with dealing with this cornstarch, we need to dissolve it with 3 tablespoons of water first. Then we'll have our cornstarch mixture ready. Next ingredient will be 125 ml of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, black pepper to taste, and also 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. For the procedures, first we'll be working on with the egg. I usually boil this for like 15 minutes. Then while waiting for the egg to harden, we were going to make the mixture of our sauce. First is I'm gonna pour the 125 ml of soy sauce, the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, the black pepper, our cornstarch, and next will be the calamansi juice. So we need to mix these ingredients. And then we will add our oyster sauce. So we need to mix it again and make sure that everything was dissolved. We will now go back to our soaked eggplant. So we need to fry it for like 8 to 10 minutes in low heat. Then right after frying, we need to put it in the drainer. Next is that we will saute this onion rings. And right after that, we will now saute the garlic for the sauce. Next is the minced white onion. And then we will pour our sauce mixture. And we will also add 100 ml of water. And also we need to bring it to boil so that the sauce will thicken. So this is how my eggplant steak turned out. I love how the boiled egg incorporated with the taste of this eggplant steak. Let me know in the comment section if you already have tried this dish. Till next time!